In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language settings in Klaviyo, ensuring that your email marketing efforts resonate with your audience by communicating in their preferred language. This simple yet impactful change can make your emails feel more personal and increase engagement rates. First things first, let's get you logged into your Klaviyo account. Navigate to the Klaviyo homepage. Here you'll find the login button. This is your gateway to accessing your account. Go ahead and click on that button. It's a simple step, but it's the beginning of tailoring your Klaviyo experience to better suit your needs and those of your audience. Once you've done that, you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. Take your time here to ensure you enter your credentials correctly to avoid any unnecessary delays. After entering your details, click on the login button to proceed. If you've entered everything correctly, you'll be granted access to your dashboard, the control room for your email marketing campaigns. Now that you're logged in, it's time to navigate to the specific settings where you can alter the language. To do this from the dashboard, you need to go back to the main Klaviyo page. I understand this might seem a bit counterintuitive, but it's the pathway to accessing the broader settings for your account. Once on the Klaviyo main page, seek out the video editors option. Now, you might be wondering why video editors? It seems unrelated, but it's actually part of the journey towards the settings menu, showcasing how Klaviyo organizes its options in a way that's not always intuitive at first glance. After clicking on video editors, your next step is to click on settings. This is where the real magic happens, where you can customize your account to better meet your needs and those of your audience. The settings option is the gateway to making your Klaviyo account truly your own. Inside the settings menu, you'll find several options, but for our purposes, you're going to click on Personal. The Personal Settings section allows you to adjust information related specifically to your user profile, and yes, that includes the language preference for your user interface. If your intention was to change the language setting for your whole organization rather than just your personal account, there's an option for that too. From the settings menu, instead of selecting Personal, go ahead and click on Organization. This option allows you to set preferences that affect all users under your organization, including the default language, ensuring a consistent experience for every team member working on your Klaviyo campaigns. Through these steps, you've learned not just how to adjust language settings for personal and organizational accounts in Klaviyo, but also navigated the sometimes less than intuitive pathways within Klaviyo's dashboard to find what you need. Remember, changing the language of your account does more than just alter the text you see. It can help you think and connect more naturally with your audience, especially if you're working in a language that's more familiar to you. Adjusting the language setting in Klaviyo is just one small part of mastering this powerful email marketing platform. With every change, you customize Klaviyo to better fit your unique marketing strategy, adapting it for your audience's preferences and your own operational ease. Always explore and customize settings to find what best works for your campaigns, ensuring your messages resonate with your audience in the most impactful way possible. Remember, the key to effective email marketing is not just in the content you create, but also in how you connect with and understand your audience. Tailoring your Klaviyo account to match the preferred language of your audience is a step towards creating more personalized, engaging, and successful email marketing campaigns. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial has made managing your Klaviyo account even simpler and more effective.